Look at that, guys. Now tell me, does that not remind you of Reach Falls?
She got a hold on me, and I just wanna hold on you, hold on you. She got a hold on me, and I just wanna hold on you, hold on you. She got a hold on me, and I just wanna hold on you, hold on you. Yeah, that's my type of girl, she's my type of girl in my kind of world.
Hi guys, welcome back to the island family. This is your girl Maria. Little island in daycare today, so I decided to do a vlog with you guys and take you on this waterfall today, guys. So welcome guys to the vlog. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, share, and let us know where you're from. Drop your flags down and tell us where you're from. Also for our old subscribers, I hope you're all doing good, and thank you for tuning in to us, and thank you for being so patient with us. You know, there is a lot of things going on at the moment. Good things are gonna happen. And so yeah, anyways guys, today we're going for a little stroll down to a waterfall, so come along guys and follow me. So guys, this is the way to the waterfall. I've always wanted to do this trip, but because I really haven't had the guts to come down here, I'm going to do it today. So, you know, you have all encouraged me to continue the Australian vlogs, and I hope that you guys are enjoying the content that we're bringing out to you. So right now we're passing a macadamia farm. This is on the right hand side is our macadamias, which is beautiful nuts that you eat. Yeah, it's really nice out here guys. I usually come out like when I'm driving to work. This is the way I go. It's just really nice. So this morning I went to a dentist, you know, just a routine checkup, and everything seems to be going good. And I've got Babe there on the phone, but you can't see him guys, you just can't see him. So don't get angry at me. They can't hear you, Babe, because I got the AirPods in. Yeah, it's Babe's bedtime, so you just can't see him because it's his bedtime. So there's a bit of roadworks going on here, and there's like an old church there. An old church, I don't know if it still seems to be still running. Excuse the tinted windows guys, sometimes you can't see through these windows, it's quite hard. Alright, this is an interesting drive, definitely. We drive on the left hand side, just like Jamaica, and the roads here are very much like Jamaica. As you can see, they're quite tiny spaces. So I have an actual GoPro stand coming for my car shortly. I've ordered it already online, and I can't wait for it guys, because this is not very economical or safe, you could say. going to do a U-turn and come back around, but because we've got to actually crawl under a fence to get to the waterfall. So yeah, and mind you, there will be a lot of cow shit, so cow poo, excuse the language. So I've got to watch where I walk, guys, otherwise I'm going to come back in the car smelling like cow dung. Alright. So Wardell is a really nice area to drive past as well. I have been down that road before, and I think they do have like waterfalls and things down there as well. But that will be our next trip, I guess, down that way. We're just waiting on the cars, you know, got to be safe. Got to be safe. So guys, I'm here now, so we've got to go through this fence, and yeah, it's used to be, I think it used to be barbed wire, but there is barbed wire there. Look, so you got to be really careful you don't get pinched. If you get pinched, you die. Nah, you don't die, but you know, it can be quite painful. So like I said, we're going to be careful here because we are walking to this waterfall now, and we got to be careful of snakes and all that kind of stuff, guys. So let's go. And the reception's going to get bad. Just beautiful. Oh, this is going to be exciting walking back up this hill, guys. It's nice walking down, but walking up is an issue. We're good. We are good. Can't lose the trail. So we've gotten from the hill, it's a bit of steep hill, and we've managed to get down here a bit. So just your heaps of rocks and that, guys. And you just got to be really careful. And I came with like Ugg boots, so that doesn't help the track walk. But it doesn't matter. It's all the fun. Having fun. Yay! So guys, you can see down there, you can hear the water. All right, let's go. In the midst of everything. Gotta be careful that we don't come across creatures of any sort, which is Australia, so bound to get stuff like that. Yeah, animals, snakes. Alrighty. Well, we're almost there, guys. Oh, this is pretty. It's a bit muddy. A little bit muddy, guys. Gotta watch where we're walking. Oh, I thought I heard a snake. Oh God. It could be a slithering lizard, but okay. Where's a track? It's a bit of timber, tree chopped down here. Just follow the tracks. Like, I could bring Island here, but at the same time I have to be really careful, so you know, because it's quite steep. Like right now we're going through another little mountain slash hill. I can hear people swimming. Like, that's crazy. It's cold. I'm like rugged up in my jumper and jeans and whatnot, and here, you know, people are. But just show you around. I think some people can't feel the cold as much as others. I'm a bit of a cold frog, guys. I think Babe will be too when he gets here, or when he comes. So look at that, guys. Now tell me, does that not remind you of Reach Falls? I know obviously Jamaica's water's a lot prettier. So yeah, guys, look at this. Wow, absolutely amazing. Oh wow. Wow, guys, this is beautiful. Hi, how are you? The water cold? Yeah. Yeah. There you go, guys. This is absolutely beautiful. Yay! So I'm just going to go down to the edge there. Let's go have a little geezer. Let's This is lovely. Are you game enough to jump off? No. There you guys go. This is absolutely beautiful. Still beautiful all the same, isn't it, guys? Absolutely.
What the quickest way is going that way.
So this would be like a nice summer spot. Definitely. I would so swim in there. The girls told me that it's really cold, so we're not gonna go there today. But plus I didn't bring my costume. I'm all rugged up and things. So guys, just walking through you know, it's always nice to have a look around here and see Wagwan, you know. Yeah, so it's absolutely beautiful, guys. Like, honestly, I would come back here for a swim when it's a little bit more easy peasy, meaning hot and not cold. It's just beautiful just to even come and just chill here, like for the day, have a picnic, and you know, maybe grill some fish or something on the barbecue here, guys. So yeah, welcome to Australia, guys. Welcome to the Northern Rivers. I really hope that everyone enjoys this video. Remember, subscribe, like, comment, share, and let us know where you're from. Comments down below. Tell us if you've ever been to Australia before. If you're planning to come to Australia, I'll be more than happy to show you around. So let us know what's going on. All right. Oh, shit. Yeah, it's not good to come with Ugg boots. I'm gonna rip up with these branches. So this waterfall, by the looks of it, I'm keeping an eye out on, you know, obviously snakes and things. Like, just be careful that we're not trespassing in their territory, because remember, we, you know, are in their space. Oh wow, look at it. Oh, it's so alert. It's very alert. Oh no. Very alert. Oh, don't leave me. We don't want to, yeah, get eaten alive or bitten by a snake if we're stepping in their territory. So yeah, here you guys go. This is what it's all about. Beauty, nature at its best. Beautiful little butterflies, you know. The walk down here has already made me break out in a sweat. So yeah, guys, you know, this is the vibe. This is what I love to do. I'm an adventurous person. You know, I love to go out and just get out there and do things, you know, with the family and stuff. So, you know, it's a vibe. And Jamaica, this reminds me so much of Jamaica. You know, there is so many waterfalls and lakes and rivers here that we can go and, you know, have a look at. I haven't even had a look at most of them. So with me saying that, you know, I just can't wait for Babe to be here to experience all this with me. And obviously for all those that want to come to Australia and view and see what Australia has to offer. It's a beautiful country, guys. Definitely. I say beautiful continent. It's a beautiful continent. All right, guys, so I'm gonna head back now. I don't want to get lost off track, so I'm gonna go back this way. And yeah, nature. So trekking back, guys, trekking back home, back to the car, just listening to the sounds of the birds. You know, it's just pure bliss, you know. I just enjoy coming out to nature at its best, like I said, and nothing beats nature, guys. Yep. I'm sort of glad and grateful that I left Sydney to come to a country town, because I never knew that I mean, Australia had so much to offer like this until I started venturing out and, you know, seeing places and that. And I can honestly say that I've done the best move there could have possibly ever be, because, you know, as people say, oh, city life is the best life, but I don't quite think so, because you can still be as successful and as professional living in the country rather than in the city. So walking down the hill now. So as I was saying before, it got really hot, so I had to take my jumper off. For me, moving from city life to the country life was the best decision I've ever made, based on if I had been stuck in Sydney. Sydney has some beautiful places as well, don't get me wrong, and I will take you there as well, but I feel that this place has got the most purest, untouched, pristine place. So, you know, as you can see, like, there's houses surrounding this waterfall, but it's open to the public, you know, whereas Sydney, there is so much restrictions you can only do. So that's the difference between here and Sydney. And also here is just, you know, much more beauty surrounded by trees and nature and lush, other than Sydney is surrounded by buildings and pollution in a sense. So yeah. All right guys, so I'm just here with the rocks right now. My good friend's rocks. Babe knows the story really well. We were at Nanny Falls, Portland. If you've never been to Nanny Falls, guys, go and check it out. Best falls ever. Babe will post the link down below of our vlog that we did at Nanny Falls, because correct me if I'm wrong. Yes, we did a vlog at Nanny Falls in Portland, and I fell, but you don't see that part. We don't see that blooper part. But yeah, I fell and almost broke Babe's camera and my hand because the rocks were really slippery, so just got to be really careful. So if you're, you know, fit as a fiddle, as we'd say, you can do the rock climbing and all of that. Yeah, so there you have it guys, beautiful. All right, now walking up this hill is going to be a challenge, but never say never, as I always say. Let's go. It's a good workout, running up and down here every day, chasing after the cows. And it's been a vibe guys. Thank you so much for joining me today with this beautiful vlog and beautiful day. Thankfully the weather's stood up for us, hasn't rained on me. And welcome and goodbye. Blessings guys.